Yes, today we are going to start with exercise 6.5. Question number 1. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. Vedant, don't write on my screen. So here, this is a right angle triangle. We have drawn a right angle triangle PQR and PR side is 24 centimeter and PQ side is 10 centimeter. This third side is called hypotenuse side. This is the largest side of this and we have to find it out. So using the Pythagoras property, Pythagorean theorem, we are going to use the formula that the area of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the area of square on the legs. These are the legs, PR and PQ are the legs and RQ is an hypotenuse. So the square of an hypotenuse is equal to, that means h square. This is called the base. PQ is the base. Okay, clear? Just get it cleared first of all. Can we stop it? Wait for a while. PQ is a base and PR is a perpendicular. Okay, remember it. PQ is a base. Now you have closed your camera, Tanvi. Very good. See here, PQ is the base and PR is a perpendicular. So h square, the formula will be like that. H square is equal to, just a second. I'll write the equation here. Yes. H square. H square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. That is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. You have to remember this formula each and every question when you are using Pythagoras property. Okay. So while using Pythagoras property, you use this formula all the time. Okay, h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, by using this formula, we are going to write q square is equal to pq square plus pr square. So pq is given 10 and pr has been given 24. So the square means 10 multiply 10, that is 100. 24 multiply 24, that is 576. So when you add this, you will be getting 676. So now we have to remove this square sign over here because we have to find the hypotenuse and hypotenuse is QR. So when you remove the square sign from the left hand side, you will put an under root sign on the right hand side. Okay. When you remove the square sign from the left side, you will put an under root sign to the right hand side. Now learn how to take out the square root of 676. I'm showing you on the board, just see to it. Okay. Or if you see this very carefully, I'm showing you on the board. So you have to solve your prime factorization of square root like that only. Okay. See, we have to take out the root of 676. So 2, 338 is 676, 2, 169 is 338. Then 13, 13 is 169, 13 1 is 13. The number 2 is coming 2 times, so we are taking it as 1. 13 is coming 2 times, we are taking it as 1. So 2 13s are 26. So the square root of 676 will be 26. Okay. Question number 2, it is given that ABC is a triangle and right angled at C. That means you have to draw a 90-degree angle on the C side. Okay. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter, this is AB, this is 25 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter, we have to find BC. So BC is a base over here, AC is a perpendicular, and AB is a hypotenuse. We'll use the same formula. Yes, Anupriya?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, beta. How we are going to solve this?
Ma'am, first we will write formula of it. AB square is equal to CD square plus AC square.
Right.
Now we will write digit. AB square digit is 25 square is equals to CD, as it is we will write because there is no value.
You can write.
Ma'am, now plus.
You can mention it as X, Y, Z, any variable you can also mention.
Okay. Now plus 7 square 6. Now we will convert 625 is equal to CB square plus 49.
Right.
And now we will multiply it with ma'am because it is written square. So we will multiply with 2.
You will take out the square root with the 576 now.
Yes.
You will subtract 625 from 49. The answer will be 576.
Ma'am, now we will take prime factorization method. Now it is coming 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So ma'am, we will, ma'am, 2 times is written. Ma'am, so we will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Ma'am, so CB base is coming 24.
Right. So your square root is 24. Absolutely right, Anupriya. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we are taking RQ as the hypotenuse. So we are taking AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So the square of 25 is 625 here, and the square of 7 is 49. Then we are going to transpose this number and we are going to subtract it. So we are getting 576. Then using the prime factorization method as we have done in question number 1, take out the prime factorization method, solve it accordingly, and the square root will be 24. Okay. Start solving. We'll take the prime factorization here. Okay. 576. So what will come here? 2. Yes, Anupriya, what will be the digit when we'll take out the prime factorization?
Ma'am, 288.
2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 2.
88.
Yes. Then we'll move further. Again, we'll use the table.
Ma'am, again we will take 2.
2.
Ma'am, now it is coming 144.
Yes, it is coming 144. Absolutely right. Then again, we are using.
Again we will take 2.
Yes, again we'll take the table of 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4.
Ma'am, coming 72.
Yes. Now again we are going to take
2.
2. So the value will be 2 3s are 6.
Ma'am, now 36 is coming.
2 3 are 6.
Ma'am, value is 36.
36 will be the value. Again we'll take out the, move further. Then
yes, ma'am.
2.
Ma'am, then value is coming 18.
2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Yes, 18. Then again we'll take out the prime factor.
Ma'am, now 9 is coming.
9s are 18, right?
Ma'am, after that we will take with 3. Ma'am, value is 3.
Yes, we take the value as 3. From 3, table of 3 it will be going.
3 3s are 9.
Yes. It will be like that. 3 3s are 9.
Ma'am, after that, 3 1s are 3.
Yes. Then it will be 3 1s are 3. Absolutely right. 3 ones are 3. So here we are going to take these two values together, these two values together, these two values together, and these together. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So that's why BC is equal to 24 centimeter here. Got it? Everyone? Yes, Avika unmuted.
Reach the window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall.
Yes. So this is a ladder. Ladder means CD. Okay, this is a ladder 15 meter long. This is a wall 12 meter. And we have to find the distance, means we have to find out the base. So hypotenuse is 15, perpendicular is 12, and the base is A. So how we are going to solve it? We'll use the Pythagoras theorem and we'll write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. That means 15 square is equal to 12 square plus A square. We have taken base as A. 15 15s are 225. 12 12s are 144. And when we transpose this number, we are going to subtract this number. So we are getting 81. 81, the square root of 81, you can take it out easily. Like 9 9s are 81, so 9 will be the square root. If it will be a larger number, then you can use prime factorization method. If it is not a large number like this, 81 it is a number, so 9 9s are 81 it is. So you can take out the square root easily, that the square root of 81 will be 9. Got it? Am I clear with this question?